What is going on, neighbors? It's Jonathan Fadoul, the real estate genie with EXP at the Home Squad, and today I'm standing outside of 2116 Wekiva Oaks Drive in the beautiful subdivision of the Oaks of Wekiva in Apopka, Florida. If you've been watching the market and you've been waiting for a 3-2 to pop up with an amazing backyard, then you're not gonna believe what's waiting for you behind these doors. Are you ready to check it out? Because I'm sure ready to show you. Let's go, yo! Welcome to 2116 Wekiva Oaks Drive in the beautiful subdivision of the Oaks of Wekiva in Apopka, Florida. From the moment you walk through the beautiful double doors, you are immediately greeted with an open floor plan and tall cathedral ceilings. Perfect for entertaining, this home features new laminate flooring throughout the living areas and a completely upgraded kitchen that features extra counter space, upgraded cabinets, and everyone's favorite, stainless steel appliances. This 3-bed, 2-bath home also features a walk-in closet in the master bedroom, as well as dual sinks and a garden tub in the master bath. Now, the real gem and highlight of this fantastic home is the backyard patio space. Completely fenced in for privacy, this paver patio not only comes with a koi pond, but also a fire pit and a working hot tub. Enjoy sitting out on your patio on these beautiful Florida nights, enjoying a glass of wine and soaking your muscles in your very own hot tub. What do you think, dude? Do you love this house? Do you love this house? Listen, this house is close to A-grade school zones, shopping, entertainment, and minutes from the 429. If you have a wish of living in Apopka, Florida today, call me, Jonathan Fadoul, the real estate genie, because I'm ready to grant your wish of living in Apopka, Florida. This lifestyle is waiting for you. Right, buddy? Give me 5. No? Maybe next time. Check you later, neighbors. It's nap time.